My name's Steve Marvel. This is the Deer Box unboxing. I got a box from Deer Box, so I'm going to unbox the box. As you can see, it comes with a box which is containing the things. Nice little, what do we got here? Sustainable hofted wild venison biddly bong postcards. Send some postcards to some vegans. The invoice, very boring. It comes with packaging, which is boring. I've noticed a lot of this recently, which is the use of what I presume is the same filler as cushions, sort of horsey, hairy looking, woolly stuff for insulation, but also these. There's some ice pops, but I don't think you want to eat those. And here we go. Let's see what we've got. We've got some deer. We've got some deer. Oh look, what we got here? Oh, we've got some deer. Alexa, stop. We've got some deer. Some deer. Some deer. Some deer. What we got here? Some deer. Some deer. Some deer. Some deer. What have we got here? Some deer. Well, there you have it. A deer box full of deer. Who knew?